Long story short, what's up guys, this is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Machete 6S. I didn't go over certain things, like I had to replace the arm on here, the front arm, one of the arms they recalled. The thing is, I had first bad jump, it broke. I only changed one. That was the first day I ran it. So what I'm doing today, after my NC bash, I'm going to bash her again and see how it works. Let's get into it. This grass is way too high. This is a battery killer. That shit is. That's what I really want. Did she survive? I don't even know where it went at. Yeah, this grass so high I couldn't even see it. Yeah, these connectors gonna keep coming loose. These tires do not got air control. Definitely ain't pulling off no backflips. Yeah, the battery keep coming loose. Like, geez. I knew these connectors would be a problem if you're trying to bash. You know what I mean? Yo, these batteries keep coming loose. Oh my God. A different location, my bad spot. This is my favorite bad spot. And I'm gonna give y'all the heads up on this because I just recently got some water at the bottom of the car. So what happened was, I got water in the bottom of the chassis, you know, inside the car, and cut the car on so it didn't work. So I'm trying to figure out why it didn't work. I kind of figured it was from the water. Oh yeah, this thing is off the chain on here. Well, long story short, the receiver box, you got to take the receiver box. It's at you got to unscrew it from the bottom of the chassis and take the receiver box out. So y'all, you know, usually people be careful to get water in it, but make sure you get no water inside that chassis and sit there, because it's going to wet your receiver. It will wet your receiver up, and I know a lot of us used to the basic receiver. But Redcat put it at the bottom where you got to take the bottom, you know, the accesses, you got to unscrew the bottom. Oh yeah, this thing is a beast. This car is nice and planted though. Oh no. This thing is nice and planted. Got the steering is on point. Servo seems like it's pretty good. It's like my 4th, 5th time running the Machete, and I don't see nothing really. Only thing I've seen is where that receiver box is. That messed my head up. I had to take it out, let it dry out, see if that worked. Oh yeah, she is nice and stable. I only found 2 things wrong with this car, and that's the battery connectors keep coming loose, and I don't like where the receiver tray is. Just to warn y'all, it's on the bottom. Yeah, this thing is a beast. And you have no air control. Now I'm gonna try some loose gravel. There's a little bit of loose gravel. Oh yeah, it handles that. Yo, this thing is a monster. Y'all, these rocks is hitting me all in my legs. Yeah, this thing is a beast, man. I couldn't imagine this on ADAS. They're going to jump that always. It's the durability jump. Oh my God, I can't wait to get a ramp, man. Ouch. Yo, the suspension on here is pretty good, man. The handling. Yo, but as always, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. And I'm out.